Menthol, a kind of cyclic alcohol. It is used as medicine in throat infections, as a spray, and as throat lozenges. Let us try to know structure formula of menthol and its chemical name. Menthol, a kind of cyclic alcohol. This is cyclohexane. Now this is cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. Let us number the positions of the cyclohexanol. This is position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At position number 2, isopropyl group, and at position number 5, methyl group. This is actually menthol. Its chemical name is 2-isopropyl 5-methyl cyclohexanol. Single word. 2-isopropyl 5-methyl cyclohexanol, which is commonly referred to as menthol. This is solid at room temperature, a kind of medicine used in throat infections as a spray and as throat lozenges. So, menthol is a chemical compound which is 2-isopropyl 5-methyl cyclohexanol, a kind of cyclic alcohol which is commonly known as menthol. Normally, menthol showed in this way. Here methyl group, isopropyl group, here OH, that is 1, 2, 2-isopropyl, 3, 4, 5, 5-methyl, 2-isopropyl 5-methyl cyclohexanol. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.